Hi, good morning. A very good morning to each and everyone, those who are watching this video. My name is Viqar Ahmed and my age is 44. Uh, I was being with service industry over the past approximately 20-25 years. My starting career was television, where I not only hosted myself in the back of the production team, but also hosted many of the shows where the live shows were there. A lot of performances are there in terms of interviewing many of the leaders or many of the good speakers as well. So, being continuous with that, I've been joined with a service industry which was a complete salon industry background. Almost hold more than 16, 17 years of working tenure. And yes, I truly admire myself because those whoever I got an opportunity in my life to know and learn from each and everyone, I got those chances and I tried themselves to extract as much as I can and perform on the ground so that we can host it myself in the better way as well. So my last job was with one of beautiful brand. However, I've worked with a lot of brands. It is one of the process oriented brand, Kevin Care as well. As a DGM operations and business development on South. Yes, I work with them. I performed as much as I can as per my capability, and which is one of the best. Everybody knew that. So, being this pandemic situation is on, a lot of unavoidable or the situations comes with all the people, those who are in working bodies or in a very big position or in a mild position as well. They are facing a lot of challenges in their performances, so as their job as well. So the chances of getting connected with many of the companies are getting challenging for themselves. So on that ground, I thought, why don't I try something else, which will definitely help me to go to a longer range as well. So I got an opportunity to meet a couple of people in this period of time. I know that everybody is not going with the right situation. The corona is performing their in a very bad stage, and we all are in not a good stage as well. So I thought, why don't I try something which have a lot of success stories. So being with that, I met with one person whose name is Harshal Trivedi, whose age is 29, who is a MCA graduate, and over the past 6 years he's working with Vestige. Being Vestige is one of a distribution unit where he found himself that he made his career. However, he challenged himself. He said, Herschel, that I joined this company just for a sake of let's try this for a time, because his dad was unwell, and due to this supplements which this company is provided, he made his dad cured, which was one of a success story for them. So he himself made an associate with this brand called Vestige, who is working on a networking performances. So he joined in 6.5 years back, and today he's into a very good position in a period of 6.5 years, where his wealth is somewhere around 7.5 crore. Sounds right? It sounds good. And at the same time, he owned one Audi. And he allowed his dad to take a VRS from a very good organization, Railways, on a very good position in VRS as well. And currently he is performing as an average monthly take home somewhere around 14.5 lakhs. Trust me, these all are the very realistic. I also work for many of the corporate firms, but this sounds something which is very interesting for me. And if it is interesting, why not I should take this as a very practical side. So I met Harshal. I had a very good meeting. He himself asked me, what is your tenure? I said somewhere around 22 years. About me, about the performance and the range of assets and the complete wealth which I have created. He asked me. I said, not like you. I even very far from you, or behind from you, I can say. So he said, tell me something. I said, somewhere around 1.5 crore. So I compare myself, 22 years and his tenure is 9 years. His wealth is somewhere around 7.5 crore. A monthly payout is somewhere around 14.5 lakhs. My tenure was 22 years. Almost last was somewhere around 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs a month. Incentives calculation, not more than that, nothing else. So my wealth is 1.5 crore, tenure is 22, his is something else. So which decides me and allows me to take this call for my career in a period of when I was in a stage when I was in 44. So I think this is a good call for me. And I'm sure when you think about this, to take a Vestige call for you, trust me, you will also feel yourself that you are a part of an organization who not only justifying your position, your talent, your knowledge, your execution and your strength, and ultimately your network as well. So if this kind of capabilities and qualities you have, trust me, you would be on the top position. Trust me. So I joined them, or since it's a networking company, and the past many of the companies have performed their fails in many of the areas, and a lot of people were frustrated with that. They not even allow us to stand and come and tell us that this is something which is not good for them. So not even people was respectfully accepted me as well when I started this from the past 22nd June 2020 I joined. And over a period of hardly 27 days, we made a family of somewhere around 73 families who have joined with us. And my first target to reach to a monthly payout of 5 lakhs. However, in the period of 2020 December, this is what my target is. So I thought, why don't I try this as a challenge for me? So I tasted the product. Those products which are very essential for our lifestyle. Example, I would say a proper grocery for us, our family. I'm sure that in the pandemic situation time, everybody were into the same stage, no matter whatever situation was. We bought those products from nearby Kirana store or a grocery store or any of the small store, because the malls were also not performing that time. So I thought, let's try this for myself. I did it. And I thought, if I'm buying 10,000 worth product for my family, because my family have 10 people. So I said, why don't I shift this to Vestige family? I mean, say the complete 10,000 when what I'm buying the product, all those groceries which are very essential for me, which I'm buying over the past 22 years, where I've invested more than 20 plus lakhs, where I've got not get anything back. However, those areas, those people, those who have earned either the brand ambassadors, those who have earned the distributors, those who have earned the dealer or a CNF or the advertising agency, those who have gained out of it because the production cost was very less. So this company has given us an opportunity because they are the manufacturing company who are directly manufacturing, packaging from these products from their own unit and distributing and selling this from their CNF and their distribution point. Those people, those who are the distributors, then only can bought. I become a distributor, and I'm proud of Vestige family because I bought those products. I shifted my entire monthly grocery from one shop to other, where I got each and everything. And trust me, all those products are economical. One. Number second, organic. Number two, the supplements which I got and which I bought, which is my dad is a diabetic patient, and he is since it's a long period, his kidney is also not performing well. So based on the supplements have a very good values as well. So I thought, because these supplement does not have medicinal stuff, so it is good for them because his health, it will definitely help him to improve his health as well. So as my mom is a cancer patient, she had a breast cancer, and I also got a lot of testimonials from him, so as from the company as well, where I got to know that these issues will gonna be solved shortly, or not even solved, because a lot of medicines what she is procuring or what my dad is taking is only taking these as a support towards whatever he is getting. Insulin he is taking, it's just a support for the time, but not a complete stuff. So these supplements will help. So all these factors which I thought, let's take this as a call for me, as a risk for me for next 6 years, because I want to take my retirement in the age of 50. So that is what it was before also. But this Vestige business formula will really help me out. So being, as I said, I shifted my brand from my local network or local grocery store to Vestige store. I bought all those products and I got those products in a discounted rate. When I become a consistent performer, I will got this product on the 5th month. I will get the product free as well. At the same time, I'm using the organic product, and the big opportunity for me, if I'm investing X amount, whatever investing for my entire year, maybe the 50,000, 60,000, but my confidence and my company, this Vestige, has given us an opportunity. When you feel comfortable, just change your shop, not change your shop, just change your mind first, change your shop, change your brand, and see the result. And at the same time, allow others to understand the facts and allow them to join with our family. As long as the family enters into your business format, the incentive will automatically comes. So when I said about Harshal, he himself created his tenure in a period of 6 years. So why not Viqar, being I as a candidate who is in an age of 44, he want to retire himself for 50 years. So why don't I try this? Trust me, I tried for myself. I've started this for my business, and we have created a family of 73, and we are waiting for our first required and a targeted payout that was somewhere around 5 lakhs plus, which is our target, which I want to take it in December 2020. So those who want, or those who really understood my feelings, understood my way of communicating you to reach to the right area, I'm just trying to put this somewhere on wherever I can put. If you can take this as a life one time an opportunity, because opportunity never comes. When opportunity comes, if we don't enter into that, somewhere we feel no, it was late, leave it. And I'm telling you, there are a lot of big stuff which I have seen in this period of time, because I have done many of the survey. And before meeting with this Harshal, who's earning 14 lakhs and half month, and he also owned one Audi which is something around 40 and half lakhs rupees. So he bought with his own capex, direct, completely. He has paid the total fund, and he bought this car. And I think anyone can do, if they have that courage, they have the network, and those who have that kind of thirst, who can do it. And anyone, and the couple of testimonials which he has shown me, like success stories where a watchman has become, he owned a car that was in Honda City also. Believe if somebody is buying a Honda City, how much fund or how much he has earned in his wallet as well. So think about that. Anybody can do, no matters if he's an educated or not educated. This is a good platform for all of us to perform our wings. And if Vestige is with us, and if we can do, just I can say, just try for yourself. If you heard that punchline of a detergent company called "Pehle istemal karo, phir vishwas karo," which means you first use it, then trust it, then try to communicate to others to trust the same, so that they can also able to buy those. And when you enter into this business format, when we work together like this, as I am doing with my entire family, I told them I'm there for you, no matters wherever you want me. The same, my colleague whose name is Harshal Trivedi is also with me for no matters wherever situation was. No matters if you are standing in Chennai, no matter you are standing in Bangalore, no matter you are any part of Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we will be there. We can take a call on Zoom, we can take a call on your conference call, we can take a video call as well. We will connect together and we can help others to understand this concept. And trust us, the time would be ours. So this is Viqar Ahmed signing off for this time from a Vestige Parivar, and inviting all of you to join our family. My number is 892-8988-111. You can call us, and those whosoever is calling you or connecting you on behalf of this video, and by putting their own name and number, kindly talk to them and help them out to or understand you about this concept. Go to this myvestige.com website. You will understand the big amount holder, the monthly payout holder is 1.68 crore, who is earning, you understand how much I said, 1.68 crore a month, which is a big amount. Think about it. This is Viqar Ahmed signing off from Vestige, and wish you wealth. Thank you very much.